Hello everyone, welcome back to Haifa Life channel. So I have over here 1 can of tomato, cayenne pepper, red crushed pepper, black pepper, 2 cups of rice, and also I have grape leaves. If you can have fresh one, you can use fresh one. I have over here that the you buy in the store and Mediterranean store. And then also I have 2 eggplants, and I have 2 zucchini, and then you can substitute anything you want. So we make dolma every day, so we substitute different things. I have over here fresh fava beans. So if you don't have fava beans, fresh one, you can also use celery stick or potatoes, which is I have over here. I'm just showing you guys that what is it for. So yeah, here we go. We can start it now. Okay, what I am doing right now is shaving it with the peeler, or if you don't have the peeler, you can use knife like this. So yeah. Okay, now I cut in half, and then I'm gonna go ahead like poke it a little bit just with my little knife, so all the flavor can go in. And then I'm gonna get my peeler remover, get all that stuff out, so I can stuff up my rice. Okay, for my fava beans, I just cut on the top and the bottom. That's all you need to do. Okay guys, so now I have 2 chicken breasts that I cut very finely, and then I'm gonna wash it with the vinegar so all the smell and everything go away. Also, I'm washing all the vegetables that I peel up now. So I'm washing over here. That's what I'm doing. Now I'm washing my rice very well. So make sure you guys wash your rice very well. So until this white water is all gone, it can be clear, you know. So yeah. Now I'm putting some olive oil in my pan and put all my fava beans in the pan. I put half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. Now I put the whole can of tomato paste in my rice. Okay, now I'm using a teaspoon of a red chili pepper and black pepper and cayenne pepper and salt. Everything 1 teaspoon. Now I'm adding my chicken and I'm gonna mix it all together. Now everything is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead stuff it. So this, what you need to do is stuff it both together and put it back together and put it in the pan like this. Also, I'm doing same thing with my zucchini. Now for my grape leaves, I take off the stem, and then for the rough side, you're gonna stuff your rice to it and fold it. That's what I'm showing you guys. put it on the stove, high heat. And also I put 3 tablespoons of citric acid and 4 tablespoons of salt and 3 cups of water. Depend how you guys like it and how you want it sour or not. You can put it less. That's your choice. And also I add 2 tablespoons black pepper. It's your choice, but I love black pepper. I got a small plate and I put it on top and cover it and let it boil until half of the water is all gone, and then that's it. Now I check it again, all the water's gone, so I lowered the heat. And after 30 minutes it's done, so enjoy, you guys. Now I flip it in a nice pan and has a bread under it. So here we go. Enjoy it, like it, comment, and share. Love you guys. Bye.